This is the Enterprise 200, a powerhouse of performance and comfort designed to support users up to 200 kilograms without sacrificing portability or ease of use. Engineered with the best in-class components, the Enterprise 200 features exclusive 350-watt Sine-Wave brushless motors and robust aerospace-grade aluminium frame offering unmatched strength and stability for everyday use. Whether you're close to 200 kilograms or far below, the power and durability of this chair benefits every user. And despite its impressive strength, it weighs just 28 kilograms without the batteries, similar to our Freedom Pro and Freedom Elite models. Each battery is easily removable and slots in effortlessly. With a 24-volt 12 amp hour battery, you'll enjoy up to 15 miles on a single charge based on our benchmark tests, and an optional second battery slot gives you even more freedom. A wide 53cm seat offers spacious comfort designed to support better posture during longer outings and provide room to move. Folding the Enterprise 200 just takes one simple motion, making it easy to transport, store, and travel with. It is a simple push of the clip and folding it down. The front axle suspension system absorbs shocks and vibrations, while 12.5-inch rear tires with high grip tread ensure stability and traction even on uneven ground. The extendable footplate adjusts to suit different leg lengths, perfect for taller users or those with limited flexibility. Safety comes first. The removable anti-tip wheels give you added peace of mind when tackling inclines, helping prevent the chair from tipping backwards. The ergonomic joystick puts full control at your fingertips. Adjust your speed, activate the LED light, sound the horn, or even fine-tune the volume with ease. For extra support, the Enterprise 200 includes a handheld remote control, allowing a carer to operate the chair while walking alongside the user. Every Enterprise 200 comes fully loaded: a cup holder for hydration on the go, an armrest bag for essentials, a built-in LED joystick light for nighttime visibility, and quality finishes throughout. The Enterprise 200 offers unbeatable value with the best price, the most powerful motors in its class, and an industry-leading 200 kg weight capacity, all in a lightweight foldable frame. Power, comfort, and performance without compromise.